Well, here she is, ready for a remaiden. The tail's been rebuilt and straightened out and recovered. The cockpit area has been redesigned, a pilot's been made. Some weathering has been added, subtle weathering. The undercarriage wing has been modified. So, time to try it out, isn't it?
I mean, that's what
Right, when you're ready. I can't see the bloody plane for your mucky screen, Mark.
That was his name,
Joseph
Jacobs.
Jacob. Soon made British in the dude.
He refused to join the Nazi party at the end of the war, when they were forming. And he was the highest killing ace of World War I in a DR1. Bit of a hero. He escaped the Nazis and lived in Holland during the war. Harder to land.
Well, already once a up.
Just flies like a biplane. It's all rudderly. Kind of fly it on ailerons. It just gets agitated just on ailerons. We'll try and do a landing.
You want to land it?
I just want to see if I can nail a landing.
Alright. Up the field?
Yeah, I'm going to bring it up.
Right.
Yeah.
No.
I haven't got enough elevate. Awkward crosswind today. Eric's the man to handle it though. What batteries it running off, Eric?
4S.
4S.
Too much now. Past somebody coming over.
You okay?
Yep.
It'll be a bit high.
Time for a little post-flight analysis. I ran out of elevator on both of those flights when I was coming into land, even though I had it on maximum throw. So what I've actually done is I've moved the control linkages down one to make it more sensitive and increase the throw on the elevator. And I think it's one of those planes I'm going to have to practice with anyway. And landing uphill onto soggy ground didn't help, but I'm really pleased with it. It flies like any of the biplanes I have. It needs rudder to turn. Without it, the ailerons just don't cut the mustard, and it's been tidied up, and I'm pleased with the way it looks in the air. It flies well. Couldn't ask for more. It's been a great little journey renovating this model, so onwards and upwards, and I hope to clock up a few more flights with it. Thanks for watching, folks. Enjoy your flying if you can. If you can't, get creative.